Oh my God. All of these cozy games, in actuality, I feel like there's really like a big market talaga for it. And it's so stressful.
Yes.
Like in all actuality.
Yeah.
You're not even playing the game anymore. You're playing the game, the market of the game.
Hi, welcome to Kaka Computer, where tech meets wit and wisdom. So for today, we're gonna talk about what we're gaming right now, personal picks and recommendations. So anyone wants to go first?
Bata-bata pa tayo.
Okay, okay.
May ibang taya.
May iba taya.
Okay.
Maiba taya.
Okay.
Okay, you go ahead.
Okay, so my personal recommendations as of now, I've been very hooked into Mugenics. I forgot who the producer was, but he's the same producer of yung Binding of Isaac.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, my boyfriend is the one who got me into it. It's like a turn-based game, and it's so cute because it's a bunch of cats. You know, cats fighting each other.
Oh, my.
So yeah, right now it's that. But like, I guess all-time favorite would probably be like Pokemon, like any Pokemon game.
Yes.
So yeah, how about you guys?
Ako, ngayon, I think Sandra knows this, pero Resident Evil 9, RE, Resident Evil Requiem, sobrang current obsession ko siya. Bakit? Kasi ang pogi ni Leon Kennedy. Every
Yeah.
tita or nasa edad ko siguro, who grew up with RE2 and
Yeah.
grew up knowing him, tapos that glow up, the 49 age-year-old na Leon, sobrang grabe. Pero at the same time, kaya ako siya current obsession. Wala lang, ang galing eh. I think it's one of the best na nakita ko for Resident Evil. Pero, kung mag-recommend ako, hindi yun yung i-recommend ko. Kasi, kahit ako mismo, natatakot. Sisigaw ka talaga eh.
Yeah.
And feel ko yung may niche lang talaga na tinatouch ang horror games. Pero, so ako, as a casual gamer din who loves cozy games, I
Yes.
think, I would recommend Heartopia. Lalo na sa mga
Yeah.
casual gamers lang na gusto i-try ang games or Roblox. I think
Yes.
either of that. And at the same time, grow a garden.
Yeah.
Yung
Go
mga-
back to it.
You know, there are merch na for Grow a Garden.
Yeah. Toy Kingdom, Toys R Us
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
there.
It's like a blind box.
Yeah. Different sizes also.
But
Yeah.
just to impress ata, meron na din.
Yeah.
Ang galing.
Grabe, I'm learning a lot. Kasi super layo ko And maybe I can go next. Kasi I just want you to hear kung anong games na
Sige,
nila.
sige, go.
And how far I am. So
Okay.
number one is Jigsaw. It's a Roblox game where you can choose how many pieces. So my favorite is
Yeah.
440 pieces. And like, very complicated pictures. Iba-ibang kulay. I love it so much. Really relaxing for the brain. Lalo na pag stressful. Oh, ito, stress ulit. Pero my choice na.
Yeah.
And the next is Global. If you're familiar, it's like Wordle, pero globe siya. Pipili ka ng country. And if it's closer, it gets warmer the more red it goes. Wait!
Huwag ka mag-alala. Alam ng mami ko yan.
How many tries though? Is it like Wordle na parang 6
No, you
chances?
can have as many. Pero it's really parang masakit siya sa puso kapag nakikita mo, oh my God, this took 15 tries.
Oh, I know that.
Kasi sa paikot ka ng,
Yeah,
ng
yeah,
country.
yeah.
Okay, and then my third is Sporkle. Really, nung pandemic, this was my addiction. It's like a bunch of games. It's like Y8 for nerds. So you can choose like different games. Anong type yung gusto mo? History, geography. My favorite was yung flags nila. 184
yeah.
flags. I love it so much. Super addicting. Siguro something, the most normal that I would recommend is
Grabe,
yung
most normal.
Overcooked.
naman yun eh.
Mas normal
Okay,
ata yung
okay,
sa'yo
okay,
kasi
okay.
sa amin.
Thank you so much. Pero siguro the most relatable for our listeners would be Overcooked. Muntik na.
Yeah.
Ang dami ng times na nag-away kaming pamilya dahil sa Overcooked.
Yeah.
Nag-walk out one time yung nanay ko kasi sinabihan namin, sino ba yung naghihiwa ng cabbage na yun? Ang bagal. So, very recommended. I feel like ang ganda niyang bonding game. Pangmasa talaga siya. Especially for Philippines. Kasi,
yeah.
di ba, merong stereotype na, ano ba yung puro laro ng ganyan? O, sige, di ka laro tayo. Puksaan.
Test of relationship.
Oo, na-testing talaga yung pamilya namin sa
Grabe.
Overcooked.
Pero alam mo, to add lang fun fact pala guys, I did the research about gaming in women. And sinabi mo kasi yung mga Wordle and Candy Crush, if we add that talaga in the gaming concept, kasi game naman talaga siya
Yeah.
technically.
Right. Yeah.
Alam nyo ba, 54% ng gamers are women and they have a higher capacity of buying sa mga in-game purchases kesa sa men. So, nagulat ako doon actually. So, in short, yung mga naggumagastos ng energy sa wordscapes, mga babae yun.
So,
Including yung nanay ko.
Yeah, and even cooking madness. Yeah,
Yeah, oh my God. But yung mga cosmetics, especially, I think.
yung mga dress.
Yeah.
We have
Or-
to buy it.
Oh my God. Yung favorite ko talaga is like, there's a, pag free games, yung mga no ads. I noticed also some of my friends, kapag, for example, yung mga idol games, they purchase yung mga no ads talaga.
Oh.
Right.
Even if it's a free game,
Yeah.
just because they like it so much.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And kunyari ako, binili ko yung VIP sa Dress to Impress sa Roblox.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay, gets.
And para gumanda yung avatar ko, bumili ako ng Robux.
Right. I think especially way back 2021, merong trend na basta pink yung baril ko. Good.
Oh, yeah.
Until now.
Yeah.
How about you? What games
Yeah.
could you recommend?
The Heartopia, and for like very casual gaming, it's the 1000 offline games, I think. So
Oh,
like if you
yeah.
don't have Wi-Fi, there's
Yeah, oh my
many
God.
games there that you can play. And
Yeah.
since you don't have Wi-Fi, it has no ads. Since you
Yeah.
don't have Wi-Fi. And for like co-op games, Stardew, It Takes Two, like those are very those would like make or break your relationship with people.
Grabe naman, Stardew, make or break.
Yeah, because sometimes like, what are you doing? Roaming around? No, earn some money.
Grabe naman yun.
Sobrang e-dating ata nun na siya.
Medyo pang...
What is a Stardew
I think-
provider, no?
Siya yung magmamines, ako yung
Yes,
mag-ingisda.
that's what we do.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Ako
Okay.
farming nga lang ako doon, pati kaya kung hindi ka sumama sa mines, pabigat ka.
Yeah.
No, but you know, the farming and Stardew, it's so stressful.
Oo.
Like, knowing the seasons, how many plots of land you have to...
Oh my God.
This sounds so parang because you know how women are like, typically the people who do like the housework and the gardening.
Yeah.
I swear,
Right.
like in those roles, it's so stressful.
Yes.
Like
You wouldn't
I
want to do
have, yeah. For some reason, you're just attracted to wanting to do more, and honestly, it makes the most money in those games.
Yes,
Just
absolutely.
saying.
And parang Animal Crossing din kasi yung fields ng Stardew.
Yeah,
So,
actually.
sa Animal Crossing naman, pagalingan naman kayong pagandahan ng island.
Right.
Terraforming.
Oh, terraforming. And
So stressful.
sa akin, akala ko ang ganda na sa akin. Pero when I visit my friends, grabe, ang ganda nun sa inyo. Parang may contest.
Yeah.
And kahit anong i-imagine mo, meron siya. And speaking of, sa mga mag-start dyan, or kung nag-Animal Crossing na kayo. I'm sure na-heard niyo yung mga pupunta kayo sa isang stream, kukuha kayo ng stuff there for free.
Yeah.
Guilty yan.
Oh my God.
I'm so
I remember
guilty.
before, there used to be like, yung mga turnips. Then you can go to each other's islands kasi mas mataas yung bilihan.
Benta.
Yeah, ng turnips. Oh my God.
God.
Stock exchange.
Ako kumukuha ko. Kasi may stream ako fina-follow. Alam ko,
Me too.
Filipina content creator din to.
I feel
sa
like I
Twitch.
know that.
Parehas
I feel like I
tayo.
know it. I feel like
Nakalimutan
I
ko
know
lang
it.
yung name. Pero pumunta ako sa kanya kasi lahat ng may islands siya. So, maraming islands. So, kada island, may mga free na gamit.
Yeah.
Pupunta ka lang doon,
Oh,
kuha ka
yeah,
lang ng
yeah,
gamit.
yeah.
So, yung mga gusto mo ng wallpaper, itsura,
Yeah.
kukunin mo lang yung theme doon.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
it's for free. Kahit turnips na napapanis ka.
Yeah. Or like you just leave bell bags.
Yes.
You know, oh my God. All of these cozy games, in actuality, I feel like there's really like a big market talaga for it. And it's so stressful.
Yes.
Like in all actuality.
Yeah.
You're not even playing the game anymore. You're playing the game, the market of the game.
Right.
Lalo na when you need to collect.
Yeah.
Have you guys ever experienced that? Yung kailangan mong gusto mong kompletuhin yung museum.
Yeah.
Yung achievements ng
Yep.
game.
Oh my God, yeah. And then you would fly to a person's island for
Yeah.
yung boat. Yeah.
Ay, Kaya sabi, kasi sino man nagsabi ng cozy? Parang hindi. When
Yeah,
you're
right.
really-
Yeah, kasi now that I hear you guys, parang ako pala yung pinaka-cozy.
Yeah, siya yung pinaka-chill.
Yeah.
Competitive pa rin pala yung mga cozy games.
Yeah.
Kasi grabe pa rin yung stress hearing from you. But I'm sure you're enjoying the stress kasi aesthetic yung
Yeah.
It's for the aesthetic.
Yeah. Tapos, you know, aesthetic for like a week, and then you see another peg, and then you destroy it.
Destroy everything.
Yeah.
That was me with Minecraft. Like, wala akong
Oh,
natapos
yeah. Yeah,
na
actually.
aesthetic sa Minecraft kasi lipat ako na lipat ng gustong gawin.
Oh yeah, dude. Minecraft, I think, is the bread and butter of all gamers.
Yeah.
Right.
Like, grabe, the amount of, I don't know if you guys tried, like, modded Minecraft, but grabe yung possibilities when you play with friends and everything. And I think it was, like, the birthplace of all, like, multiplayer games, honestly.
Introducing Agora's conversational AI engine. Build and integrate your AI agent in minutes. Any model, any voice. Start building your voice AI agent for free today.
Ang dami nagsimula na ideas din from
Minecraft, yeah.
Right.
And ang pinaka nagagalingan ako doon is yung pagalingan din sila gumawa ng sarili nilang
Mods.
mods.
Yeah.
Sarili nilang ganito, ganyan. If I remember, meron dati kasi diba nagka-pandemic? So yung sa school ko, sa Yellow School, sa UST, gumawa sila ng model ng 1:1 ng UST. Nagkaroon ng tour doon. Diba? Kasi
Yeah,
hindi ka
yeah,
makapag-tour sa UST.
Yeah.
So magtutour ka
I
dun sa
remember that.
Minecraft.
So cool.
Yeah.
So, feel ko talaga work and effort siya. And tawag sa kanila UST Minecrafters.
Yeah.
I
And
love
like,
that.
and I think that also gave birth to like other types of games, like in Roblox. Do you guys like, did you see yung parang SMC side? Tapos it's a legit replica
Yes,
of
actually.
SMC side.
It is.
Parang nasashock ako every time na narinig ako ng intro. Kasi
Ang dami
Oh my God.
Pinoy.
Girl,
Ang daming Pinoy talaga.
yeah. And dude, it's not just SMC side. There's also BGC High Street.
And wait lang, there's more, may Tagaytay pa.
Grabe.
Meron
Yung
nga
Sky
sa
Ranch.
school ko eh.
Yeah.
Yung meron.
Yeah.
PUP, what? What's up? PUP, let's go. Lock in.
Guys, I'm not kidding. Pati may ganap talaga doon na mass. Talagang may, si father talaga nagko-conduct siya ng mass.
Oh my God.
Feel ko that's what really changes a game, di ba? That's kasi before the Filipino communities yung na-form, like parang game na siya. And now,
Yeah.
there's such a culture to it na
Yeah.
replicate yung school, dinadala dun yung Filipino
Yeah.
culture of
Yeah.
mass.
And it's
Yeah.
crazy because it's not adults who are doing this. It's
Yeah.
also kids.
Yeah.
Like they use games to parang building blocks nila in terms of coding and their parang whatever design, and it's just so amazing how it just stemmed from games. Imagine your cozy game became your career later on. That's crazy.
Right. I think for a lot of us, I'm sure parang one of the, dati kasi parang, oh, don't game kasi that's bad. Parang just go out or study.
Yeah.
Pero now that we're older, parang na-realize mo, damn, sobrang laki pala ng impact ng gaming kasi it was so happy. Yet I learned so much.
Yeah. I think one point in gaming is like because I studied psych, and one of the main concerns in the gaming in terms of, you know, your mental health and well-being, they always associate gaming into like escapism and all of that. And what I could say about it is it's true kasi syempre when you're in a game, you pick up the mindset of, okay, so this is my task and I'm focused on this, and you kind of just forget about everything else in the moment. So I don't know, for me, if it's only like in a healthy amount, like you only game for a certain amount of time, then I think that's okay. But of course, kayo guys, what do you guys think on the whole escapism thought? Is it like, do you guys ever or have seen or personally na-addict ka hanggang buong araw ka that you couldn't do anything productive, or is there other things na you guys also practice to maintain it?
Well, for me kasi dati, it was 2020. PUBG, sobrang addicting talaga.
Yeah.
Pero you were in a pandemic so it was the only way to like talk with your friends or hang out or do something together. So I think at that time, parang it was a good way to parang escape the world that was burning.
Yeah.
Virtually burning. So I think for times like that, it was absolutely parang okay, called for, ganyan. Pero in today's reality, for me at least, I have to find a way to balance it with work, with school,
Yeah.
ganyan. So what I would recommend talaga is if you feel like you're getting addicted, put yourself to a schedule and like, or if hindi mo kaya ma-maintain yung schedule, cut it off. That's the only way to parang protect you and from the game. From getting addicted talaga.
So you cut yourself off from PUBG.
Yes, I'm not playing PUBG anymore. You're not gonna drag me to PUBG again.
She has removed her
Bye, guys.
vices.
Even Shaz.com, nag-rage quit na ako. Bye,
Oh
guys.
my gosh. Okay,
I
how
think
about
responsible gaming talaga siya.
yeah.
Pero I know people, like my partner, he can sit agad na game and finish it. For example, ano yung mga completion-driven games, like,
Oo.
kunyari sa Resident Evil, he seated that for 12 hours, natapos naman niya. Then after nun, he will take a long break. Feel ko, it
Yeah.
really depends talaga on how you manage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Siguro, for me, yung parang nagiging, na siya, pag hindi ka na nagiging progressive or anything.
Yeah.
Right.
Pero if, at the end of the day, parang kaya mo naman gawin all together, wala ka namang nasisirang schedule and sisira mo yung sarili mo, I think, siya, okay siya. Pero yung part na nasistress ka kasi naglalaro ka ng Animal Crossing, hindi mo makuha yung gusto mong insect, mainis ka talaga. So, nakaka-stress siya. Sino nagsabing escape to para maging relaxing? Para maging relaxing. Hindi totoo. Joke lang. But anyway, I think yun na talaga. It matters on the balance.
Yeah, that's true. I agree with both. I did experience that. I was addicted to ML, Mobile Legends, in the pandemic, guys. It was so
Yeah.
bad. Like,
See the
from
pandemic.
morning to night, like, I
Yeah.
was playing, even online class.
Yeah.
Sorry. Pero,
No, that's okay. You're from DLSU, right?
but I went to a different high school, so since
Okay,
pandemic,
okay.
pandemic,
Okay,
high school
okay.
pandemic. So, but after pandemic, I was like, it was taking over my
Yeah,
mind.
yeah.
So
Right.
I couldn't stop, so I just deleted it. I gave my account to
Yeah.
my brother. You play that.
Oh,
Right.
And
okay,
then,
yeah.
like last year, I was addicted to Valorant. So like, there's a new addiction, but then sabi ko,
Yeah.
no, I cannot. So I don't play Valorant also anymore.
Never
Okay.
coming back as well?
I hope so.
I think
Okay.
that's good for everyone. We did our recommendations. We shared our personal stories. So yeah.
I think last words na lang.
Okay,
So we can wrap it up. So I think in this episode we learned that cozy games are
not-
just as stressful as competitive games. You will always find a way to be competitive, either if it's within yourself or just something that you want to achieve.
So to add to that, parang drive talaga siya. I think, para kahit cozy game man yan, I think yung having objectives is a drive
Yeah.
for you to keep going and playing the game. Kahit pa flags laman lang yan or collecting. And, parang I think lahat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think to wrap up lang din, yung nature kasi ng podcast is kaka-computer, right? Yung
Yeah.
narinig mo kapag sermon. So what I would advise is, pag napagsabihan ka na nakaka-computer mo yan, makinig ka na lang ng podcast. Don't game
Yeah.
na, quit na. Yeah.
Thanks to our sponsors, Agora, Tutorials Dojo, Young CTO, Amazon Web Services User Group Philippines, and Facebook subscribers. On to our next episode.